How to shop online using the Temu app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can shop online using the Temu app. So first, just go on App Store and then search for Temu. And after it's loaded, it will show a number of applications. So you'll have to download this one. I've already downloaded, so I'm going to click on Open. So now there are a number of things here. First, when you log in, they're going to ask you for the email for exclusive deals. So just type in your email and then click. Now there are a number of things which you can order with very reasonable prices. You can just keep on adding them. Like I'm going to add this one, so I can click on add the last few. This one, select this. Now you can see it is added to the cart. Now this is our cart and everything is going to be added on this. So click on the cart to see the items that you have added. Now here you can see that 2,800 is the min to check. So there is this limit which is going to be at the bottom, and you have to see that if you don't have that much of things in your cart, you cannot place an order. So once you have reached the minimum limit, you can just click on check and it will be delivered to you. So that is how you can place an order using the Temu app.